And again, COVID numbers have increased once again across the UK in the past week. Straight to our health correspondent, Ashish Joshi, in the newsroom. So give us the facts and figures then, Ashish.
The upward trend that we've seen over the last few weeks continues with cases rising across all four nations. I'll give you a breakdown of exactly what it is in each of those nations. The number of cases in England has risen to 1 in 25. That's 1 in 25 people in England, and that's up from 1 in 30 last week. That means now in England we have over 2.1 million people who are infected with COVID for the previous week. And in Wales, the figure is 1 in 20 have tested positive. That is up from 1 in 30 the previous week. Northern Ireland is seeing cases rise to 1 in 19 people. That's up from 1 in 25 people. And in Scotland, cases have risen slightly to 1 in 17. That's up from 1 in 18 last week. So the upward trend, the number of people who are infected with COVID-19 during the summer is continuing to rise, and that will concern especially the people who are trying to run the health service at the moment under a great deal of pressure through the summer as they are through the autumn and winter, but they have seasonal pressures and trying to clear that elective backlog, the people waiting for their operations and treatment. This is going to put more pressure because everyone who's infected with COVID who does end up in hospital, and we are seeing hospital admissions rise, and we are seeing more people attending hospital with COVID, that puts more pressure on the hospital. It has to implement COVID infection controls. And also you must remember too that a lot of these people who are infected are key workers. They are people who work in hospitals, they're teachers, and that's why we're seeing so much disruption with so many employers saying that they have people off sick at the moment. That trend we've seen over the past few weeks continuing upwards.
All right, Ashish, thank you very much indeed.